Hello friends, today is going to be unboxing of a HMT watch. So let's unbox and see what is this HMT. Okay guys, so this is the HMT Galaxy. Okay, so this is HMT model name is Galaxy. I'll tell you the model name, but it is also called as Pegasus, and it's a stainless steel watch. The HMT new box, I mean, this is my probably first HMT watch after I got to know about watches. Probably early in my young age, maybe around 10 years back, I had a HMT mechanical watch, Sona, but unfortunately at that time I didn't had that so much of interest on watches. So that mechanical winding watch got damaged and probably I have disposed it off. But today I was thinking like, oh, I should have owned that watch. So now we'll just unbox this and check. A nice box, you feel literally a premium, and all this material for placing the warranty card. It looks very good. I mean, proper unboxing. So this is the watch itself. We'll keep it aside and we'll see what else we have got. This HMT user manual, and it's a quartz watch, warranty and some instructions. And this should be the bill. Actually, this watch is priced at 1500, but on offer I got it for 1253 rupees. Okay, it costs 1564, but I got it for 1253 on discount. Actually, I didn't I wanted to buy a HMT Kohinoor, but very unfortunate. I'm searching for months together and I'm not getting anything. So finally got some offer on this watch and I wanted to try and check HMT now. Okay, this is a nice, rather than pillow, this gives you the old authentic style of watch. It's really nice. We'll keep it aside and then we'll come to the watch itself. Yes guys, so this is the HMT Galaxy, and the model name is, just a minute, HMT Galaxy S1G01 Arabic blue stainless steel. So really looks beautiful, and it's bit chunky, heavy also. Initially, after seeing many videos on YouTube, I thought it would be small, but it looks like around 30, at least more than 35 in width, and close to 42 43 millimeter lug to lug. So we will open the cover on this. Wow, nice feeling. This is really looking premium, guys. As you can see, the hour markers at 12 and 6 are the numbers, and all other markers are just a square dot, and all these are like the applied indices, not the printed ones. And the dial itself is the blue color with the straight lines, some pattern in the dial. Looks really beautiful. The watch case is the watch chain also looks very beautiful, finely polished. The Crown looks very small, but nevertheless the finish of this watch is really looks premium and highly glossed. Coming to, we'll see the buckle. It's like press open type buckle, and the back of the watch. Wow, this is, I like this. I will open this. Yeah, okay. This also has very premium gloss, very high gloss finish, and the specialty is this comes with the Pegasus logo. HMT, it says HMT, all stainless steel, water resistant. Okay, and the model says Pegasus. The advantage, the good part is this back case is the prints. I mean the markings here are the stamped one, not like the regular the etching one. It's really looks premium. The case finish on the back side is very rough. Let's say it's rough, but on the sides and front it's really looks very premium. One thing I notice is the chain is not as good as maybe other ones. The chain has gloss but looks very, as you can see, it has some noise and very looks very flimsy, and the back side of this is not so smooth. Yeah, and we'll try this fixing the buckle. Okay, it seems okay. And then finally we'll try the adjusting the time. Yes, as you can see, we can adjust the time. I think the movement itself is okayish, not so smooth. Okay, looks pretty okayish, but really I loved the dial and the finish. As you can see, even the hand markers, minute marker is made out of the steel, and the indices are applied, so it looks really premium and high gloss shining face. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions, please comment, I'll reply. Thank you, good day.